this is the easiest and simple way to do my nails. If you've been following me, you realize that I do a lot of DIYs to save money, and this is one of them. So I got this particular nails from Temu. It's a press-on nails. It comes with a separate nail adhesive tabs. It comes with this like basic essentials. This particular one doesn't come with an alcohol pad, so I'll be using like my spirit and wipes to do that. It also comes with a file, but I won't be using that because I have my own nail file. This DIY is so easy. Under 10 minutes you are done, honestly. So the first step here is to file your nails down, just to make sure that they are at proper length. I don't like when I fix my nails, my natural nails will not be showing underneath. No. So I like to file them down properly, and after that I will equally file the surface of my nails, because you actually want the surface of the nails to look rough so that it will be very easy for the nails adhesive tabs to sit properly on your nails. So because I do press on most of the time, I already know my numbers, but in case if you don't know it, you will learn on the process how to identify your numbers. So it's not something that is hard actually. Just make sure you file the surface of your 10 fingers. Make sure everything looks like this, like the way my own is, before you move on to the next step, which is using the alcohol pad if you have, but I'll be using my methylated spirit and wipes to clean my nails properly. The essence is to get rid of any residue oils, because our nails naturally they produce oil. So this procedure gets rid of all of that. Okay, so just wipe down the nails properly. So now I'm selecting the nails, but first of all I will do like a close-up so you guys see how the nails looks like. Okay, and if it's your first time using press-on nails, you have to fit in properly. It's a must before you start the application. The essence is just to have everything in check so that you don't fix one and then start going back to look for the second one. So this is the step here. Pick up the nail adhesive tab and place on your nails. Make sure you remove the nylon protecting it, and then pick up your nails that you want to fix, that's the press on nail, and press down for like about a minute. It will help it to last longer, trust me. If you cut corners with this particular thing, I'm telling you, you will not achieve the same results. You might even fall out or fall off the next day. This is me when I'm done fixing the nails on my fingers, and I can now see that okay, this one matches to this one matches to this one. If you don't know how to do it, there's a number written on each nail. So any particular nails that you pick and it fits your nails properly, you check the particular number written on it, then you should know that that would be for the second finger. Okay, there's always like two numbers, 6677. So I hope this illustration explains better for you in case you are new to this. I hope you understand better. So for the application, I always like to start with my right hand first, because why not? I'm right-handed and it is easier applying the press-on nails on my left hand side. So I start with my right hand. So the nails is 20 pieces in the pack. More like you can do it 2 times, like 10 once and 10 the other time. Do you get? When you are placing the adhesive tabs on your nails, okay, please do that gently, because if not, you will just spoil everything. And make sure that when you place the adhesive tabs, you remove the nylon that comes with it. There's a nylon on it. Remove it before you now put your nails and then press down properly. Else your own nails or the kind of press-on you bought, the adhesive tab is on the nails, like directly on the nails. You don't have to place on your nails, your natural nails, then put. Because I guess that one is easier, because you don't have to like get your adhesive tab from a separate place on your nails and then start putting your press on. No, this one is it's on the press on nails already. Just have to like remove it and place. Do you get it? So yeah. So I'm going to kindly repeat that same process on my left finger, the same thing I explained initially. Take your time, press down, very, very important. Don't cut corners, oh. The results will not be nice if you cut corners. This is the outcome of our press-on nails, or how our press-on nail looks like. It looks so beautiful, and it lasts like about 2 weeks. I bought these nails from Temu for 1,052 naira, and it's so beautiful. I can't even count how many times I say it's so beautiful. The press-on nail has like a sharp tips, so I had to use my file that it came with to file it down to smoothen it. And this is what we achieved under 10 minutes. So beautiful. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and share to your friends. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.